All right, you guys see it, man. You see it. We finally got them. They done finally touched down. One of my most anticipated pickups of 2023. Ever since I seen that we getting these joints last year, I said, I gotta have them. I gotta have them in the collection. And it's kind of crazy how I hit on these. It's never happened before. So I'm gonna break them down and show you guys the entire process of me going through a hassle of getting these sneakers that we got in today. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into another video. If you guys are new to the channel, man, right now what I need you to do, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boys. You don't miss out on any content that we do drop. It's gonna be a lot of videos dropping here shortly. A lot of restocks about to happen. A couple of shock drops that I'm hearing about. I'm gonna drop all the information for you guys. So like I said, right now, hit the notification bell and sub up so you don't miss out on any of that content, man. And if you are watching today's video, we're gonna take a couple seconds, man. Everybody right now, smack that like button. The like button goes a long way. It helps the channel grow and then puts it in an algorithm so we can keep pushing out this dope content for the Vintage Squad, man. So join up, like I said, by subscribing right now. Like I said in the intro, a pair of sneakers that I've always wanted since a long time ago, you know what I'm saying? And I took an L on the release date, which I thought I took an L. Lo and behold, I entered on the Flex app for this pair, and I did the ship to me option. And I did the ship to me option a lot of times in the past, and I never took a W. So I was like, you know what? Maybe this whole ship to me thing ain't gonna work out for your boy. And I got an email after the release of these sneakers, and they said that I actually hit on the ship to me option, which I was super excited about. Sometimes, you know, of course I do YouTube, so I want to get the pair in as soon as it does drop, the same release date, so we can break them down on YouTube, get the Vintage Squad's thoughts and opinions over the pair. And I had to wait, bro. Your boy had to wait, and we're gonna throw these things on feet because it's long overdue, man. So here you guys can see it. We're gonna break them out of the box, man. And you guys see it. You guys see it, man. We got an all over platinum box. You should probably already know what this is. Either a pair of Air Jordan 13s or a pair of Air Jordan 14s. And today, we're gonna tell you guys what I picked up. What was my most anticipated, or one of my most anticipated, bruh. So you guys see it. Got your red Jumpman on the front of the box. And the official colorway reads Air Jordan 14 Retro Varsity Royal in black. You guys see it, bruh. Check him out. Size 9. Your boy finally got his size, man. I swear I thought I was gonna have to pay resale, and right now that resale is steadily climbing, bro. So let's go ahead and check these beauties out. And 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. Check them out. We finally got them. The Air Jordan 14 Laney things, bro. And these things so beautiful, man. I couldn't pass on them. So let's go ahead and pull both of them out of the box real quick, bro. Go ahead and pull both of them box. So like I said, ship to me option on Flex actually works for your boy. The first time that it's ever happened to me, which is crazy. I did not think I would hit on ship to me. That's all I was saying on the release date when I had to pick up that size 12. I said, bro, I might have to hit up that resale market, or I could have waited a couple of days for the pairs that weren't picked up in the mall to actually grab a pair. But I got an email after the actual drop, you know what I'm saying? They said I hit on ship to me option. I said, yo, we are lit. We in the gang. We finally got the Air Jordan 14 ladies, bro. These things speak for themselves. I know a lot of people did not expect these things to sell out the way they did. I know people was going to the mall, standing in lines, waiting hours for those unconfirmed pairs to drop at Finish Line and Hibbett Sports and stuff like that. And it was only a couple pairs left, bro. It was literally only a couple pairs left, and none of them was in my size. I had to grab a size 12 just to bring you guys that video. But it's super dope to finally have them in my size, bro. I can't wear no size 12, bro. They know I can't wear no 12. I need a size 9 in the 14s or 8.5. It really doesn't matter. And if you guys did not know, these dropped in a low top version back in 2015 or 2016. One or two. It was recently we got a low top version of the Air Jordan 14 Laneys, and then they dropped it in a regular, you know, Air Jordan 14. And yeah, now we finally have them in the collection, bro. These ain't going nowhere, bro. If you guys not know, I have a lot of Air Jordan 14s, believe it or not. They're not in the drop fronts because I don't have enough room for my 14s, 13s, and 11s. But I'm going to give them some love one of these days, get them their own drop fronts, show them some love, and definitely start pulling them back out in the rotation because it's a dope pair of sneakers, bro. Based off of, you know, Michael Jordan's favorite car, the Ferrari. You got the tail lights in the back. And you kind of also got that Ferrari emblem with the Jordan on the side right here. I feel like they did a very good job with the quality, man. Nothing too crazy, like nothing terrible as far as the suede, the nubuck, anything like that. No crazy quality control issues like we seen on them Air Jordan 3 white cement reimagines. And I feel like they executed this joint very, very well in my opinion. And it kind of still give me that excitement to unbox these joints, even though I did already have a size 12, but actually having a size 9 and seeing that the quality was consistent is super dope. We do have the Air Jordan 1 women's exclusive Laney joint. One of the ones that I didn't want to pass up on because you guys already know how I go, man. Jordan 1s usually tend to go up. I don't know what Jordan is going to do to bring that hype, to bring that excitement back for the Air Jordan 1s. But I definitely see these right here being one of them sleeper, you know, sneakers on the resale market that, you know, instantly shoots up. The quality is crazy on these joints. The colorway is actually nice. And it's a women's exclusive, making this a little bit more limited than actual, you know, GR sneaker. But back to the Air Jordan 14 Laneys, bro. Like I told you guys, the resale is slowly trending up, bro. Like on the release date, my size now is going for like 210, 215, which is right around retail, which is usually expected as far as a GR release. You know, sometimes they even go under retail. But for these Air Jordan 14 Laneys right now in a size 9, they're going for like 230, 240, 250 on eBay, Go, and StockX, which is kind of weird. Like, you know what I'm saying? 14s don't get a lot of love. 14s, people don't wear 14s no more. Let's just be honest. And I did not expect the resale to, you know, go up those $20, $30, $40 a couple weeks after the drop. But I definitely see these joints, you know, later down the line. We probably won't get these for a very, very long time. That resale is going to stay stagnant around that 270, 280 mark. And the next thing you know, they're going to be cracking 300 before you know it. So, man, you better buy these joints right now. I know a lot of people's like, you know, I don't need them. I got the lows. Some people say I don't want them at all. But it's always those ones that be like, yo, them 14 Laneys is cold. And the next time you look, resale's gonna be crazy. You ain't gonna wanna pay the price. So here you have it, man. I'm not gonna do a full review on these joints. You guys already seen kind of review and breakdown that we did on a release date. Definitely gonna be throwing these things on feet at the end of the video. Like I said earlier in the video, please let me know down below in the comment section if you picked up a pair of these Air Jordan 14 Laneys. Super beautiful. Got the yellow hits all the way around it. So yeah, guys, this is my recent pickup. I actually had these for about a week now since the drop. I got the notification after, you know, the release was over that actually did hit on a ship to me option. So super happy to have them in hand. I thought this ship to me wasn't gonna work for your boy, but it finally did. And as you guys can see, one of my most anticipated pickups of the year.